Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Switch to rear recording. Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Switch to front road.
So I'm running the front and rear camera, and once it's running, you can see the resolution is 2560 times 1600, which means it's not 4K. But the rear is running smaller. Rear is 1920 by 1080, which is 1080p for the rear. Once it's running at dual camera setup, it will be this setting, and if it's just single camera, it will be 4K, the 160p, which is the full resolution of this front camera.
Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure.
Okay, it's getting dark and it's going to rain, so we can test out the camera for the front and the rear camera, and how well it does in the low light environment. Shooting at 1600 for the front and 1080 for the rear.
Lane departure. 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 Be aware of the vehicle ahead.
So it's dark now, 7 7 p.m. soon, and it's raining, so good to test out the video quality.
Switch to rear recording.
Not to forget the rear camera. I need to wipe the rear screen as well. Also, we just covered with water. So this to switch to the rear screen. And
Switch to front
screen.
road. Switch to rear recording. Switch to front road.
Okay, just a quick test. I'm now at the shopping mall. So, quick test on the low light with the front and rear camera, shooting at 1600 and 1080 on the rear. So hopefully you can see how it looks like. I like the 4K on this camera, on the dash cam, and for me I may end up with, if I truly wanted a 4K recording, I would probably end up with 2 units of this, and I will mount one to the back and one to the front, having separate recording individually. Hence, you get the direct 4K files right into one SD card in each of the unit. So that way you definitely get a good 4K video from the front and 4K video from the rear, which is the ideal recording that I want. So most likely I'll end up with 2 units, like I do with all with the 70mai Pro as well, and that's it. So give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.